Right guys, just a sort of quick show here that the Frankenator is working. We're going to run that over the top of there rather than take it all around the front. Only reason is because it doesn't have to worry about it, and I can clip it back, and I'm not really too fussed about it, so I can zip tie it back to wherever I want, so that's not really an issue. I'm going to sort of rig it up onto a here junction box, which we've got, which is fine because we're going to use the old lube. I know haters are going to hate me, but the lube, the wiring is okay. We'll check what's not and what isn't. We'll replace or we'll take out. Now I'm going to do a bit of welding. I'm going to put my thinking cap on about this. This is a pain. I must have used. You got to understand, right? Something. Now you probably aren't. You know, if you're listening, you listen. But if you don't, I got a lot of cars, and I've made up my cars over the years, and I've used what I've got around. So I probably have used the water pump of this on another car you haven't even seen. So I think you probably just have to trust me that the water pump I used off that probably was okay, and I probably used it on another engine. So it's another car. But this one, because this is a supposedly like a car made from all its original bits, because you saw me dismantle it, didn't you? So it's actually quite comical that a car that's made out of bits from all the original bits, which I've refurbed and anything that is usable and anything that need to be refurbed or done, is described as not being original. Oh, there you go. Just shows how stupid some people can be. But anyway, at the moment, we're all right. We're good. We got everything we got, and we know the starter motor is turning it over. So we know that one of my headaches has been orchestrated and done. Now, gearbox mounting, I know because the synchro box over there would have been brilliant, but I didn't. I'm not using it. I'm using the 5-speed. So at the moment, there's my 5-speed cross member, which I'm going to try, or cross member, you know, rear mounting. I'm going to try use with a pin and spring. That's my plan. If it might change, the engine and gearbox isn't changing. That engine is in there now for the duration. The next things are going to go on will be the spin oil filter housing, which could go here, down there, see down there, see that down there, nicely done. And we can also have, we are going to have an oil cooler. That's all blacked up and gone. But so we're going to just say that we're not possibly going to be using that water pump, but we are going to be using one of the water pumps, although that one lined up lovely, which really annoys me. So I'm going to say, I got a big pile of water pumps, and that's just some of them. If I can find a better one, I'll use it. If I can't, then I'll have to adapt that one. And obviously for the people who are out there saying, yeah, you can't do that, well, I can, of course I can. Steering column's going in next. Gearbox cross member is next, and we've got to sort out the other bits and pieces which are getting done. Now that's got a soft tyre there, so that's coming down anyway. So, but those wheels are going to be, I'm going to use them wheels because I'm going to put a white one on there. I think I've got a better chrome, easy clean somewhere, but we'll find one. But yeah, we have got a lot of filler to be done, which I don't want to do. So we might have to get our sort of like enthusiasm. Let's say time's precious, waste it wisely. But we're going to say that we're done. We're done. We are doing all right. I mean, I know people's going to hate it. They're going to be really sort of like upset about what I've done and everything. Yeah, you know. But you know what, guys? Sod off. Get your own bloody E Type. Then spend your bloody savings on it. The gauges are all goosed. Switches are not too bad. Side head. But the wiper, the fast and slow, and all this, I just give it a clean up. Hazard warnings not happening. Map light, interior, washer, fan, rear, panel dim and wipers. Now I've got some of those switches, so I'm not going to say that I haven't got them, because I have, and I can replace them, and I can also give this a good clean up. We're going to use that again. No, I'm not changing that. I'm not biting into all that crap. I really am not. I don't know what up there. Something up there, but something caught on it. But anyway, we're not going to be too worried about it. we got to do some of the welding at the back, which got done and got seamed up, and it is horrid. So I might go over it again. I don't know. But for the minute, I'm going to say that all the door hinges now are getting play. So I've actually got some bar, and I've actually got a reamer, and I'm seriously tempted to start reaming. So I might end up doing that. I've got to sort out getting the old doors slightly better on the hinges, but I'm not too fussed about it. And I got the bulkhead transfer pipes, as you can see. So the return is just going to come straight across the back with a copper tube. So yeah, I mean, like, you know what they say, all the chicken heads keep hating. But if you don't have one, like, you know, the people who own an original car or an E-Type, not a kit car. I'm not talking about a kit. I'm talking about not a kit car that's not been crash tested. I'm talking about a proper steel car that has been crash tested and has got proper BSI seatbelt mounts. Not a reproduction aluminium tubbed car that's never been crash tested. Well, it was crash tested with Linden Knocker, and it didn't turn out too good for them. So for all the people out there who think their cars are infallible with their aluminium bodies and it's all going to be great, just wait till you crash the thing. Of course, you'll never drive it, so you probably will never drive it. You're probably too scared, or you can't get it on the road because the DVLA will not register it, because it is a kit car made out of car bits, not original. Well, at least this is actually all the original bits reused, because you've seen it here live, so I can prove my car is original. Yes, it might have a few bits that I've robbed off it over the years, but you know what? I used it on another E-Type, and I might have used some of the bits. I might have used the uprights because I wanted the bigger brakes on something else. You might see that car one of these days. You might. You might. If you do, then I hope you do. But if you don't see it, well then, you know, hey, just remember, this is the Ed Shed. Was it like full of surprises, right? Was it saying like, this is dreams, mate, dreams. And I've got all these things that you lot dream about. So if I use bits off of a 2+2, which everyone tells me is worthless, it's crap, nobody wants it, it's a load of rubbish. Yeah, but it's my load of rubbish, and I want it. That's why I'm doing it. And that's why on a Sunday night at stupid o'clock, I'm out here beavering away, doing bits and pieces. So, you guys, just remember, it could be worse. It could be you. And you could be out here beavering away. And I know people are going to be going, oh yeah, but let the gator, get your split. Yeah, well, hey, thank God for the fact that the Ed Shed has got some spares, because over here, hidden over there, is a load of gators. So, you know what, guys? That's the easy thing to do. The easy thing to do is to get a gator from over there, put it on. The water pump pile isn't quite as good as I wanted it to be, and it isn't getting any smaller because I still can't find the one I want. And I know I got one. It really annoys me. It really annoys me because if anybody can spot it in there, if anybody can spot it, like, you know, so if someone says, oh yeah, there it is, then please comment in the comment section, because I'd love to know if you've seen one, because I do believe that I've got one. I don't believe I haven't. I mean, I've got most bloody things, as you can probably see. I've lost the alternator as well, which is another thing which is a bit of a pain, but anyway, it'll come to light. I'm not using it, but I want the bracket. I want the bracket, so yeah, we're going to say, for the minute, this is the Ed Shed at its worst, or best, I don't know. I don't know what you would say. I would just say that somewhere hiding here, which you guys can see, that there's going to be a water pump. And I know there's one. I know there's one here. And that really annoys me, because I know it's here. And I know somewhere I've got one. I just don't know where. And you know what I'm going to do? I'll end up adapting one of those. And by the time I'm adapting one of those to do it, then I'll find the other one. And then I'll go, what an idiot. But yeah, hey. At the moment, we're not too worried, because somewhere it's hiding, and somewhere it's possibly, I don't know guys, I don't know, could be down the bottom. Anyway, as I said before, keep liking, keep subscribing, keep looking, and if you really enjoy seeing an E-Type come together, then yeah, it is not looking that bad at the moment. But for the minute, as I said, I just wish I knew some painter decorator who could do some paintwork or some filler work. But then if you start rubbing it down while I'm doing the rest of it, it's not going to work. So maybe I've got to just keep doing what I'm doing and leave it at that. But anyway, guys, thanks for looking, thanks for watching, and as I said before, I hope you enjoyed it, because I'm enjoying it, but it's bloody hard work. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.